Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in your Toyota Yaris. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Gather your essential tools, including a drain pan, a suitable funnel, and basic wrenches. You will need approximately 5 to 6 liters of Toyota Super Long Life coolant, which is usually pink or red. This specialized coolant is crucial for optimal engine health. Finally, identify both the radiator drain plug and the coolant reservoir before proceeding. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position a large drain pan directly beneath the radiator drain plug. Carefully open the drain plug and remove the radiator cap to facilitate a smooth flow of the old coolant. Next, detach the lower hose from the coolant reservoir to empty it completely. Allow ample time for all the old coolant to drain out, which can take several minutes, ensuring the system is as empty as possible. After draining, it's time to flush the system. Close the radiator drain plug securely and reattach the coolant reservoir hose. Fill the radiator with distilled water until it is full. Start your engine, turn the heater to its highest setting, and let it run until it reaches normal operating temperature. Once the engine is completely cool, repeat the entire draining and refilling process with distilled water at least one more time for a thorough flush. Finally, let's refill and bleed the system. Ensure all drain plugs are closed and the reservoir hose is firmly connected. Using a spill-free funnel, slowly fill the radiator with your new Toyota Super Long Life coolant. Start the engine with the heater on high, letting it idle for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow any trapped air bubbles to escape. Top off the coolant as necessary, then monitor the reservoir level over the next few days, adding more if it drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.